everyone. Welcome to our live show. This is Amy from Xinxiang Huayin Renewable Energy Equipment Company Limited.
Hello, this is Jessica. Welcome to the live stream of Xinxiang Huayin Renewable Energy. Welcome.
Yes, our company provides waste recycling solutions, and we manufacturing pyrolysis plants such as the waste tires, plastics, and pyrolysis to fuel oil. Like this one, this is the tire after pyrolysis. That you will get the fuel oil.
Yes, our pyrolysis plant can be used to decompose the waste tire, plastic, and after the high temperature oxygen-free condition, we will get pyrolysis oil, carbon black, syngas, and steel wire, of course. And how about the usage of pyrolysis oil, Amy?
Yeah, the pyrolysis oil, we can sell it to the industrial factory, such as the boiler and the glass iron factory as the fuel.
Yes, for carbon black, it can be made into carbon black briquettes as a heating fuel. And from a cheap and useless waste tire, we can get precious products, right?
Yes. Except the oil, carbon black, after pyrolysis, the plastics, waste plastics, and tears, you will also get the steel wire.
Yes.
Steel wire also can be sold to the industrial factory. And the syngas, it can be recycled to heating the machine. So after pyrolysis, the waste for all of the finished products both is valuable.
Yes. And today there are 3 parts of our live stream.
Yes, it will be divided to 3 parts. Part 1, we will visit our factory on land. Part 2, we will introduce our sales promotion activities. Part 3, we will introduce our newest design 4-ton capacity machine and small capacity machine. So please don't leave and keep follow us.
Yeah, as you can see, this is our factory. About our online visit of our factory, there will be 3 main parts. Part 1, Workshop 1. This workshop is mainly used for pyrolysis reactor manufacture. And this one, workshop number 2, is mainly used for storage of the plants we have already made well. And that one, workshop number 3, is mainly used for the manufacturing of main parts of our pyrolysis plants. And now, let's start from workshop number 1.
Let us visit the workshop 1.
About the promotion today.
We can say.
There are special offers for 2 new designed pyrolysis plants. For F4000 installation-free pyrolysis plant, the original price is $56,800 USD. And now the promotion price is?
Now the price is $30,900 now.
For 750 installation pyrolysis plant, the original price is $35,000 USD, and now the promotion price is?
It's $52,800 now.
Okay, thank you.
Very attractive price.
And our pyrolysis plant is decomposed with several parts, and this is the very important part. It is the pyrolysis reactor.
We can say this is our 10-ton machine capacity, and the inner dimension is 2.8 by 6.6 meters, and it can pyrolysis the waste tires, plastics. After through this machine, you will get the fuel oil. This is the machine used. And now we can say this is the feeding door. this is the feeding door, and the diameter is 1.4 meters. This design will be suitable for most of Taylor's diameter. And then we can see this is the partition face, and this is the ruler. And we can see, notice there is a special design because we can see the ruler, suppose we does one extension of the feeding part. So the ruler support the feeding part, not the reactor directly. It has two advantages. First advantage, the sealing area will be small because the pyrolysis in the working process, the internal side temperature almost 1,000 degrees, very high, and if the sealing area will be small and will not easy to gas leakage. Yes, because there has smoke. If the smoke leakage, and it will be has some pollution. So this one design is pollution free. And second advantage is the roller not touch the reactor directly because the outside is one insolution cover, and the reactor easy deformation because the thermal expansion and cold contraction. Yeah, so after long time use, it will be easy deformation, and the ruler not touch him. It will be has longer life, and it will be more reasonable design. Yes, and we can see the support. The support is triangle and not a vertical shape, right? Because other factory always use the vertical, but the triangle will be more stable. And we can see some details. We can see this the steel. Both is the I steel, not U steel, right? It will be more stable. Yes, more stable and more strong. Okay, let us say this is the feeding port, and this is the insolution cover. Oh, this is not painted, and the capacity is the 20-ton machine. It's our top sales. It can prove pyrolysis with the tails, plastics, and oil sludge, and other use the engine oil. Both is okay. Now we can say this is this is a reducer, and this is the oil part, and there is one filter. We can see this inside. Please check here.
Okay, here you can see the filter inside the chamber. Yes.
Yeah, we can see it.
So, Amy, can you tell us the usage of this filter?
Yes, this filter is a safe device because it can prevent the oil sludge to follow into the cooling pipes. If it follows into the cooling pipes, it's easy cause to the cooling pipes blockage, clogging. Yes, so it's a safe device. It's very important. And we can notice the gear. The gear and the materials both is casting steel. Yes, not steel, not stainless steel. It's casting steel. Yeah, it will be more longer life. And we can see this one. This is the ruler, and the ruler we can see this is touch the partition face. If after long using time, it will be producing the bubble. If the bubble producing, it will be easy to shake. So we installation one anti-move device. This device is our very good design because it can prevent the shake of the machine. So it will be using long life and more time and more safe. This is a very important design. Yes. Okay, now this is the insolution cover and the totally outside appearance of the reactor. Now let us see how about the inner reactor.
Yeah, as we said earlier, pyrolysis reactor are composed with two main parts. The internal pyrolysis chamber and the external insulation cover. And now let's see the internal pyrolysis chamber. As you can see, this sealing cover, and for our sealing cover, it is a great design with only one welding line. And we produce this kind of sealing with very professional engineers to ensure the safety of the whole pyrolysis chamber. As you can see about the fitting door, we said earlier that the fitting door is designed to be 1.4 diameter. But why? That's because the common tires of the cars are within 0.7 to 1.4 meter diameter, and our fitting door is about 1.4 diameter. If customers have bigger tires, there are two solutions available. Solution 1, we can customize the fitting door to be 1.7 diameter. And solution 2, shredders are available to cut the tires before putting into the reactor. And inside the reactor, some spiral plates are built inside, which when the reactor are rotating in clockwise direction, it can help the fitting system with high efficiency. But if the reactor is rotating under clockwise direction, it can help the reactor to discharge the carbon black, right? Yeah. Please look at the pyrolysis chamber. Here you can see the welding line. Our design of pyrolysis reactor has gained a pattern. Why? That's because we focus on every details. Look at this welding line. Our engineers did this job for 6 times. We welded the line 3 times outside and 3 times inside to ensure the safety use of the reactor chamber. So, Huayin Renewable Energy has been focusing on pyrolysis plants for 29 years. What kind of products we offer? Pyrolysis plant, distillation plant, color and smell removal plant, and we focus on every details.
Yes.
So, about this time's promotion, we have special offers and big discounts. For special offers for F4000 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $56,800 USD. And now the promotion price is
$30,900. Very attractive price.
About 750 pyrolysis plant. The original price is 35,000 USD. And now the promotion price is
$30,900.
Yes. Just now we talked about the pyrolysis chamber. And I think it's necessary for you to learn about the material we use to make the pyrolysis chamber. Here you can see these are the boiler plate for our pyrolysis chamber. As you can see, we use Q245R boiler plate to make the pyrolysis chamber. And Amy, can you tell us where the steel plate come from?
Yes, it's come from the Angang Group. Angang Group is top 500 company of China, very famous. And and the thickness is 16 millimeters. Yes, it's very good. And we can see this is a roller machine. It circles the plate and we will test the welding times about six times. Yes, welding 6 times.
Speaking of the thickness of the plate, it is 16 millimeter thickness. Why is 16 millimeter? It is calculated many times by our engineers. We designed it to be 60 millimeter for one hand, to ensure the efficiency of the heat transfer. For another hand, to ensure the lifespan of the usage of the pyrolysis chamber.
Yes.
And here we can see the insulation cover of our pyrolysis plant.
Insulation cover is also very important.
Yes.
Because it keeps the warmth of the reactor.
Yes. And a good insulation cover can ensure the high efficiency of heating. And for the insulation cover, we will show you. Look inside. It is very big, and there are 3 layers for the insulation cover. The outside plate layer is steel plate. And the second layer is ceramic needled mat with a thickness of 100 millimeter. Yeah, we choose the white color because it's of high quality. And the inner layer is refractory castable.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. In addition, about the refractory materials, we also will mix with the sand. Yes. Steel sand.
Yes.
To keep it more strong.
Yes. To ensure that our customer can use it for a longer time. Yes.
Yes, it is.
So, Huayin has been focusing on pyrolysis plants for 29 years. And we design and manufacture many kinds of waste recycling plants. And to in an environmental way to obtain pressure products from waste tire and plastic, right?
Yeah.
And about the promotion, we have a special offers and a big discount available. Yeah, for F4000 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $56,800, and now the promotion price is.
Now the price is $52,800. What is the price?
Yeah, for F750 pyrolysis plant, the original price is 35,000 USD, and now
the price is $30,900.
Yeah, I mean, can you tell us what are these wooden boxes used for?
Oh yeah, because one size of a machine includes many parts, and in addition, in order to save some transportation cost, and we will load some parts into the reactor, and some parts will be kept. The transportation safe will be loaded in the wooden case. Yes.
Yes.
And now we are visit our warehouse. Yeah.
Yeah, here you can see many parts of our pyrolysis design and manufacture the pyrolysis plant, and we have the pyrolysis. So that is a very big disadvantage of a supplier who has a real factory.
Yeah, because we can see today we have many spare parts and the wooden case. Today, so our workers are preparing the spare parts.
Yes.
Yeah, and this one is some small parts. This one it is
rollers.
Yes, how many tons about is support?
It can support 30-ton weight.
Oh, 30 tons.
Yes, 30-ton weight. About the rollers, we use the cast steel to make it stronger and powerful. Yes.
Yes.
And about Huayin provides all kinds of plants that can be used to do waste solid recycling to obtain precious products such as pyrolysis oil, carbon black, syngas, and steel wire.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you have money with the tires and the plastics and you don't know how to handle it, just contact us and please leave your message because we can provide the solutions for you. Like this waste change to wells.
Yes,
give
leave
you
your
solutions.
message. Yeah.
Okay. Now this also is our is our warehouse of some spare parts. It is this. It is electric cabin. Yes, and it's frequency converting. And if you use it, and the discharging system will be still long time. And if you don't use it, the discharging system working time about 3 to 4 hours. But if you use the frequency converting types, and the discharging time only need 1 to 2 hours. It will very save the working time and also save your labor cost.
Yeah, it's very efficient.
Yeah, also the brand is Siemens brand. Yeah, also it's a good brand. And now there also has some spare parts. Oh, this is, we can say, this is the soft graphic packing. Yeah, it's one sealing materials, because we use it for the reactor. Reactor some gaps we use it. So we suggest the customers can buy it for parts, because it's one consumption materials. Yeah.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, we use it long time.
Yeah, great sealing material is very important for the safety of the pyrolysis plant.
Yeah. It is.
Huayin has been focused on waste solid recycling for 29 years. We design the plants and we manufacture the plants. If you have any question, please leave your message, and we will offer your customized solution to you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because we are delivery today. Yeah. So we are in factory. We can see many spare parts. Yes. Because we have one order 12 units will be delivered today, and our workers still in working now.
Yeah. And for the customers who want to start a pyrolysis business, they really have a difficulty in choosing the great pyrolysis plants. And here in our live stream site, you will know some details on how to choosing a great pyrolysis plant, the reactor, the duster, and other parts of it.
Yeah, so sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we said we will have sales promotion today, right?
Yeah. And special offer, big discounts are also available. Yeah.
Yes.
For installation of 4-ton pyrolysis plant, the original price is $56,800 USD, and now the promotion price is
$52,800.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for F750 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $35,000 USD. And now the promotion price is?
Yeah, it's $30,900.
Yeah, very attractive. So what are you waiting for, my friends?
Yeah.
If you have any question, please leave your message, and welcome you to watch our live stream.
Yeah, except the special offer.
Yeah.
We also have the big machine.
Yeah.
Sales promotion, such as the 10-ton to 15-ton.
Yes, you're right.
You will get the 5% discount.
Yeah, 5% discount, very attractive, and the biggest discount this year.
Yes, sure, because it's validated time is until 20th July.
Before 20th July. And here, what can you see now is the order feeder. Order feeder is used to feed the waste tire or plastic into the pyrolysis chamber. And it is driven by about 50 to 60 tons of hydraulic thrust. And here you can see, under the order feeder, here is a hook. This hook is a special design which can be used to pull the steel wire out of the pyrolysis reactor after the pyrolysis process, which means that the customer needn't to buy any other steel wire discharge equipment. It's very efficient. Yeah. And if you have any question, please leave your message. And this auto feeder really can help you to feed the versatile plastic in a short time with a high efficiency.
Wow, because it also will save more time for our customers.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
Will be feeding materials more fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Huayin has been focusing on pyrolysis plants for 29 years, and we design, manufacture many kinds of pyrolysis plants. Yeah, if you have any question, you can leave a message. And we have customers from more than 80 countries all over the world, and including 18 European countries. Here, what I want to show you is the ceiling cover. As you can see, the material is Q245R boilerplate. Yeah. You can see clearly that our ceiling cover there is only one welding line, and it is designed it is a very safety design. Yeah. It can avoid gas leakage.
Yeah, yes. Because our customers can compare it with other factory. Other factory almost the wall has
many welding lines. Yeah.
Yes, and it's like an umbrella.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's so our design only one. Yeah, because this one we send it to the factory to make it.
Yeah, the ceiling cover are made by professional cover making factories. Yeah. And Huayin has been focusing on pyrolysis business for 29 years, established in 1993. And we have customers from more than 80 countries around the world. And now you can see is our workshop number 1. Which is mainly used for the manufacturing of pyrolysis reactor and chamber insulation cover. And here you can see the reactors that is ready for the delivery. And this red one is for the customer from India, right? Yes. For 10-ton pyrolysis plant is the most wholesale one and very profitable. Which means that it can make at least more than $1,000 per day, right? Yeah. And here, you can see these are the pyrolysis plants made for the customer from China. And here, this one, you can see it is smaller. This is a distillation plant. Yeah. What can distillation plant used for, I mean?
Yeah, if you got the fuel oil, so the 20 tons capacity machine, and maybe you want to get a more better oil, and you can use this one distillation device, and you will get the non-standard diesel. Wow, the non-standard diesel, you can use it for the heavy oil generators and some contraction vehicle engine.
So I understand now. Distillation plant is used to purify the pyrolysis oil generated from the pyrolysis plant. And the product of the distillation plant is distillation oil.
Yes.
Yeah, distillation oil has a better quality, much better quality than pyrolysis oil. But if you want to get recycled diesel, you will also need a color and smell removal plant, which is also provided by Huayin.
It's one production line.
Yeah, it is a complete production line.
Yeah, if you guys use this 20-ton capacity machine, and you will use 5 tons distillation plant, it's okay.
Why?
Yeah, because the oil yield is about 40% to 45%.
Yeah, that means if I use the 10-ton pyrolysis plant one batch, I can get about 4-ton pyrolysis oil.
Yeah, even 4.5 ton.
Yes. And the distillation plant's capacity is 5 tons. So it is quite enough. We won't advise you to buy a 10-ton capacity pyrolysis plant.
Yeah, 5 tons.
Yeah, because
it's okay.
Yes, here you can see the chamber.
Plate.
Yeah, inside the chamber, you can clearly see the spiral plates built in the pyrolysis chamber, which can be used to improve the efficiency of feeding system and carbon black discharging and the steel wire discharging. Yes. In this workshop number 2, it is used for store the
ready machine.
Yeah, ready machine, waiting for the delivery. Here, what you can see is our great design of a square box condenser. Yeah, about a square box condenser, there's something that I really need to share with the customer who want to start pyrolysis business, because some customers, some suppliers in the market also has a square box condenser. But the true difference is how long is the condensing distance. About the condensing distance, how can a new customer to know this clearly? Just look at this.
Yes.
Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the condensing distance of our square box is more than 120 meters long.
Wow.
Yes, which ensures that our customer can get the biggest amount of pyrolysis oil after the condensing system.
Yes.
Yeah. Here are all our condensing system. Huayin has been focusing on pyrolysis plant for 29 years, and we have a new designed pyrolysis plant. For example, F4-ton pyrolysis plant, F750 pyrolysis plant, as you can see now. This plant is F750 pyrolysis plant, which can be delivered within only 140 HC container.
Whoa.
It is installation free. As you can see, this plant is well installed by our engineers before the delivery. Yeah. After the customer receives the plant, what they need to do is to provide the water, electricity, and they can use the pyrolysis plant successfully, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It is very convenient. And it is only 140 HC container is enough. And here you can see this is the reactor already installed well. And here is the fitting door.
Yes. Okay, from this one side, we can totally see the details of model for Model F 750 kg, and this is the fitting door, and it's a side open door, right? And now let us see. We can see this is the reactor, and now this is the heating system, and the oil burner, and this one is the combustible gas, oil gas burner. Now this is the reducer. And we can see this is a safe device. This is pressure gauge, and if the reactor has pressure, and it will be alarm, and it will be alarm, and your worker will release the pressure to promote the safe production. And this one is the oil, the catalyst chamber. And we can see this is the first cooling stage, and this is the cooling pipe. Oh, this one is the stainless steel dusting systems, and it will be purify the impurities and to promise that the emission air is pollution free. Now, next we can see the oil gas follow into the first cooling pipe, and now they will enter the oil water separator. And oil water separator is a very important device. Why? Because it before we use it, it will put 1/3 water. And it's also the safe device because the density of oil will be smaller than the water. So it can prevent the water revert to recycle the reactor. So it is a very important safety device. And after this device, the oil gas will be followed into the square box conditioning systems. And the square box conditioning systems also will be, after flow it will be followed into the oil tank. And there we can see this is the syngas device. And this is the third cooling stage, and this is two cooling pipes and one syngas device. And this device will be recycled the combustible gas, and the combustible gas will flow into this one pipe, and we can see, whoa!
It will be routed back to the furnace.
Yeah, will be recycled to the furnace and using the
it will
combustible gas burner.
Here.
Yes, we can see it will be recycled to there as the fuel to heating the machine again. Yes. So this one model 750 kg, its advantage is will be prepared in our factory. And when you receive it, you just need connecting with the electricity and water. It's okay, and you can operation it very easy. Don't need installation and save the worker and the labor cost. So if you want to start the waste tires, plastics, pyrolysis to fuel oil business, you can.
Perfect choice, right?
Choice. Yeah.
And also special offer available before 20th July. The original price is $35,000 USD. The promotion price now is
only need $30,900.
Really
attractive price.
Attractive price. Here you can see the square box condenser. And for the condensers, a very important factor is the heating exchange area and the condensing distance. Look inside our square box condenser. There are many pipes inside. When you use the condenser, this condenser will be filled with water to condense the oil gas in the pipe.
Yeah, and we can notice, whoa, the size is different, right? This is a small one, and another is a bigger
one. Yeah. Why this one is so small?
Yeah, because Huaying company, we support the customized design. Yeah. We customize the design different size according to customers' different needs.
So leave your message. Let us know what do you need, and we will offer your own solution for pyrolysis business.
Yes, sure. Except this small machine capacity, today we also have the big sales promotion for the bigger capacity machine, such as 10 ton to 15 tons capacity.
10-ton pyrolysis plant is the most wholesale and profitable one around the world. Most of our customers start pyrolysis business from a 1 10-ton pyrolysis plant and then expand. Oh, Amy, what's the discount for bigger pyrolysis plants?
Whoa, it's 5%. 5% discount.
5% discount, very big discount this year. The biggest discount. And we have a special offers, big discounts available for pyrolysis plant. Huaying has been focusing on pyrolysis business for 29 years, established in 1993. So please leave your message. Let us know what do you need. Look at the main parts here. They are ready to deliver to a customer about 8 units of a 10-ton pyrolysis plant.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the oil water separator and the
Oil
cooling
tanks.
tank. Yes,
Yes.
yes. It's ready for delivery.
Yeah. Okay, Amy, let's share the special offers.
Yeah.
For F4000 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $56,800 USD.
Yeah.
And the promotion price is
Now it's only need $52,800.
wow, great price.
Yeah.
And for F750 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $35,000 USD. And now the promotion price is
It only need $30,900.
yeah, for the pyrolysis plant with bigger capacity, like a 10-ton pyrolysis plant, 15-ton pyrolysis plant, the big discount will be
Big discount will be 5% discount.
yeah, 5% discount.
Yeah.
And for the safety design of our pyrolysis plant, before the pyrolysis plant go to our customer's factory, we will do the quality test.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
quality test. Amy, how do we test the safety of the plant?
Oh yeah, because one machine has many small parts and
Yeah.
many small parts has the welding line. Yes, so if it has a welding line, we will move there. Let us stand here.
Oil tank.
Yeah, let us stand here.
This is the oil tank, and we will fill the oil tank with water, and then feel the pressure, which is, and then let the condition last for about 30 minutes to see if the pressure has changed, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, we can see our workers are still testing this oil tank.
Yes.
Yes. After
Okay.
30 minutes, and if there has no pressure leakage, it's proof it's very safe.
Yes. Huayin is responsible for every customer and every part of our pyrolysis plant. That's why we test our parts in our factory, and after the test, we will deliver the plant to our customers.
Yeah.
We are responsible for our customers. So we will test the plant for all of the customers before the delivery, right? Yeah. And about the promotion today, we have a special offer, big discount. And for F4000 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $56,800 USD. And now the promotion price is
Yeah, and now the price is $52,800.
yeah. For F750 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $35,000 USD.
And now it's $30,900.
Yes, that's great.
Okay,
And,
now we are in our workshop 3. Yeah, this one workshop will be manufacturing some deducting
Parts.
systems.
yeah.
Yeah, cooling systems and some oil pipe, oil water separator, and some other parts. Yeah.
Yes, look at this one. Yeah, this one is used to discharge carbon black. Here, what you can see here is locks. It can be opened
open.
easily.
Yeah.
Why we design it like this?
Yeah, because it's very easy to maintain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even I can open it and lock it easily. So it will be very convenient for the customer to repair and maintenance it, right?
Yes.
Yes. And this is our factory workshop number 3 for main parts manufacturing about the dedusters, carbon black discharger,
Yeah.
and the small capacity plant.
Yes.
Yes.
For sure.
Yeah. Now you will see the small capacity mini model with 10 kilogram of pyrolysis plant very soon. And Amy will give you a clear introduction.
Yes.
Yeah, a brief introduction. Yeah, brief introduction about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are in the area of the small machine, and we can see this is a 10 kilogram machine, and the material is stainless steel. And stainless steel with longer life and will be premium quality. Okay, we can see maybe some customers will ask, whoa, so small machine, who will need it? Such as firstly for testing and showcasing and presentation for government to get the license. And we can say this is the a feeding door. Yes, this is a feeding door. And this is a reactor. This is the heating system. And this one also is the combustible gas pipe. And this is the chimney to emission the smoke. And finally, the smoke is white steam. It's pollution free. Oh, there is two pressure guards and have not installed now. This is the catalyst chamber and to purify the oil gas. And this is a cooling pipe. First one, oil tank. If it is the working and from this oil port, we can do some observation and to see the oil production. And after the first cooling stage, and we will get the first stage oil will follow into the first oil tank. And this is the two horizontal condenser. This is the second cooling stage. We can see there also has one oil port and one oil tank. And finally, it's a very good design. It's vertical condenser. It's the third cooling stage. But we notice what is the difference. Yes, it has two syngas collector. Yes, we also said the syngas also is one. Collector also is one safety-wise. So, please, you can see the total 110 kg machine is very good for testing. Maybe because while in pyrolysis machine, we can produce with the tires, plastics, some materials to produce oil. Maybe some customers will ask, whoa, except the tires, except the plastics, if there has other materials we can produce oil, so they will both buy this machine for testing. Such as our customers testing some metals, latex, and even some old clothes. Yes, it both can produce oil. Or if you have many waste, why not buy this one machine for testing? Maybe your waste can produce oil and let the waste change to wealth and make money for you. And secondly, you know this one business is very good business because many customers want to sell the oil to make money. So they will build one factory. Such as until now, we have already exported our products over 90 countries. Yes, 90 countries. And in this country, most companies build one big factory. And they will need the land and the license. So this is a small machine. It's a very good machine because you can presentation the working process to your government, and get the license. And finally, it also can be used for showcasing, because some middleman wants to buy this one machine to presentation and find the investors. So it's a very good choice, and you can use this one machine to presentation for your potential clients. Yeah, so it's a very good design, and we can say this is one small machine, but it's very high labor cost, because we can see every part will be designed very good and very beautiful, and all the materials is very good, both in the stainless steel. Yes. So if you have another needs or requirements, just tell us, because we can customize the size for you. We support the customized design. Yes.
Yeah, that's the big advantage for the supplier who has the real factory.
Yeah.
They can design the plan, they can manufacture the plan, and they can also customize the designs of the plan.
Yes.
And there are also a lot of automatic equipment that help our engineers to manufacture pyrolysis plants, such as the rollers, which can make the steel plate into really different shapes. Yeah, to meet the requirements of our engineers in pyrolysis plant making. Yes, and there are also some number controlled lathe. Just look at this one. This one is a laser control lathe, which can be used to make different kinds of main parts. Look here, you can see many different parts of the main parts, different shapes, very great shapes. And this is all made by our laser, by this laser controlled by the number controlled automatic laser. Many different kinds. So if you need any main parts, we can produce it and we can deliver it to you at once, immediately. So that's the advantage of a real supplier with a real factory can offer you. It is really great. And here we can see a lot of workers are really busy now.
Yes.
That's because, really a lot of order at the moment. Okay. So for this month, before 20th July, we have a promotion, special offers, and big discounts, right, Amy?
Yeah. Yes, it's a 5% discount now.
Yeah, for the pyrolysis plant with a bigger capacity, it is 5% discount. What are these?
Yeah, this is the stainless steel ceramic materials. Yeah, it's used for the dusting system. Yeah, to purify the impurities.
It is installed inside the deduster to purify the flue gas generated from the furnace, right?
Yes.
Yes. For the deduster system, we offer different kinds. There are 3 different kinds of dedusting system. Yes, just like the water film deduster. Yes, and the second one is
stainless steel.
Yeah.
Stainless steel deduster.
Yeah, the third one is the differentiation and denitration deduster, which can meet the requirements of European countries. Yes, we already have 18 European customers. So we have a rich experience in offering solutions to your pyrolysis business, and we have a rich experience in installation. Speaking of installation, Amy, the 10-ton pyrolysis plant is so big. Yeah. What can I do when I receive my plant? Can you help me to install it?
Yes, of course, because we have the engineer with very rich experience. And and we will dispatch our engineer to help you installation and training your workers.
Yeah. Wow, that will be great. Yeah. Huayin has an engineer group with more than 10 engineers to help the customers install the plants all around the world. Even during the COVID-19 period, we still insist on helping our customer to install the plants correctly and successfully. Even now, our customer is in Sudan to help with the customer to install the plants. Yeah. And about the promotion today, I think it's really necessary for us to tell our customers what's the promotion.
Yeah, most of the customer will be concerned about this question.
Yeah, really attractive and competitive price for F4000 pyrolysis plant. The original price is $56,800 USD, and now the promotion price is
$52,800.
Yeah, for F750 pyrolysis plant, the original price is $35,000 USD, and now
the price is $30,900.
Yeah, for bigger pyrolysis plants with 10 ton, 15 ton, 5% discount available, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our factory of Xinxiang Huayin Renewable Energy Equipment. If there is a chance, we welcome you to visit our factory one day. Okay?
Yes. Okay. After visit our 3 workshop, yes. Now we will visit our office, and because we will just one presentation for the small capacity machine.
Yeah. Now it's time for us to know the details of the new designed installation-free pyrolysis plant.
Yes, such as the model of F750 kg and 4-ton capacity machine.
Yes, you are right. Why we invent installation-free pyrolysis plant? That's because it will cost some money for the installation and the time to wait for the installation. So in order to meet the requirements and the demands of our customer, we design installation-free pyrolysis plant. Yeah, and here I will introduce the F750 pyrolysis plant for you. This pyrolysis plant has a very medium capacity. It is not very big, so it is very friendly to the starters who want to start the pyrolysis business. Yeah, and as we just saw in workshop number 2, it is installed well in the frame structure. Before the delivery, it is well installed by our engineers, so it is very easy for our customers to operate it. And now let's see the details. There are 3 parts of our today's details about the F750. Part 1, about Huayin. Let's know a little more about the Huayin Renewable Energy. Part 2, details and advantages of F750 pyrolysis plant. Part 3, client case show. Okay, let's begin from part 1. Huayin established in 1993 and has been focusing on pyrolysis business for 29 years. We have customers from more than 80 countries, including 18 European countries. Here are some of our customers. Yes, here are some of our customers from all over the world. As we shared earlier, our engineer will go to the customer's factory to help with the installation, staff training, and ensure that our customer can operate our pyrolysis plant successfully. Yeah, here is our engineer in the USA to help with the installation of the plant. Here in Mexico, in Turkey, in Indonesia, in Thailand, and in the USA, in Mexico, in Guangxi, China, 80 tons per day, and in Finland. So as you can see, Huayin has rich experience and very much customers from all over the world. Here, let's come to the details and advantage of F750 pyrolysis technology. Here is the design of F750 pyrolysis plant. Here is the reactor heating system, the duster, and the condenser. What can this pyrolysis plant do? If we put waste tire or plastic into the reactor, after the high temperature oxygen-free condition, the tire and the plastic will become solid and gas, and the gas will enter the condensing system and then be liquefied and to get oil. The oil will be stored in the oil tank. This is the unique SAMO technology. And here are the products we will get after the pyrolysis process. Look here. Here is the fuel oil, carbon black, steel wire, and syngas. They are all very precious and useful. For the syngas, it will be routed back to the furnace to heat the reactor. And for steel wire, it can be sold to the dealers easily. And for carbon black, it can be made into carbon black brackets and to be used as a heating fuel. And fuel oil, it can be purified into recycled diesel and for ships and farm tractors usage. And it can also be sold to the industries to be used as a heating fuel. And here is the loading capacity. It is 750 kilogram technology. It is a pyrolysis production mode batch. Batch is really attractive and efficient. And total weight is about 13 tons. Here's the overall dimension. Look at the dimension. You will know that the land required is really small, less than 30 square meters to install the pyrolysis plant. For the advantage of F750 pyrolysis plant, it is installation free. So no time needs to be wasted for the installation. And it is a low shipping cost, only 140 ETC container is needed. And a small food space, I said just now, only 30 square meters is enough. Easy to operate. Look here, you can see that the plant is well installed before the delivery. So after you receive the plant, you just provide electricity, water, and it can work for you and make money for you. And then safe production. As we said in our workshop number 1, our pyrolysis plant is safety design, which has gained a patent. So please don't worry about the safety of the plant. Clean emission. We have 3 different kinds of dusters to deal with the flue gas generated from the furnace. So it can definitely reach the requirement of your country. Here are the equipment list, all the details list. And now here, I will share a real client case to you. This customer ordered one F750 pyrolysis plant in February. Look here. In February, she ordered a pyrolysis plant. And in March, we test run the pyrolysis plant in our factory. Here is the video, as you can see. Huayin is responsible for every customer from all over the world. So we will test the pyrolysis plant before the delivery, just to ensure that our customer can use our pyrolysis plant successfully. As you can guess that the test run needs a lot of workers to work together for a long time, but Huayin will do it for you. Okay, and in May, here is the video that the client shared with me. This plant is now in Madagascar. So as you can see, from February to March to May, 3 months. What can you do during 3 months? It's long enough to start pyrolysis business. This is our true customer case. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested, please leave your message. And a special offer is available for 750 pyrolysis plants. Only $30,900 USD dollars. Thank you for your listening. And here, let's welcome Amy to have an introduction of F4 tongue pyrolysis plant for you.
Hello, everyone. This is Amy from Huayin Group. Huayin provides with the recycling solutions, such as we can provide pyrolysis machine with the tires, plastics, or used engine oil to fuel oil machine. So if you have interesting for this business, please contact us. And now we will introduce the new design, Model F4000 design. This is our new design. It's 4 tons capacity machine. Let us see. This one contents will be divided 4 parts. Part 1, what is the Model F4000 used for? And part 2, technical data. And part 3, the 4000 machine features. And part 4, we will that's one comparison about the Model F4000 new design machine and the traditional machine. Okay, let us see the first part. What is the Model 4000 used for? Clean the planet. Yeah, do you know what this is? Yes, this is many plastics. Do you know how many plastics generated per year? Wow, you can't imagine. Yeah, it's 140 million tons of plastics generated per year. And if you so much with the tires, how we handle it? Except, well, yes, landfill. There has other solutions. And look at this one picture, and this is the waste tires. And the waste tires, about 1 billion of waste tires generated per year, and most customers handle with is incineration. Yes, so Huayin company provides another solutions for you. This is the new design Model F4000 pyrolysis plant, and we can see this is something special. Yes, you must be attention it because the cooling systems put in one frame. Yes, this is one totally new design, and through this pyrolysis machine, what will you get? Yes, you will get the fuel oil and the carbon black, steel wear, and syngas. Why say that? Because after you feeding this waste materials such as the tires, plastics to the reactor after our pyrolysis technology, and you will get the fuel oil. The fuel oil, such as if you process 10 tons with the tires, you will get about 4 to 4.5 tons fuel oil, and 2 tons carbon black, and 1 ton steel wear, and 1 ton syngas. Yes, because this fuel oil, as we said, you can sell to the industrial factory, such as the boiler, glass, iron factory, and with very good price, because we know the oil price is very here now. And this one is the carbon black. Carbon black, you can make it to co-briquette, sell it to co-briquette factory, and also sells dust process to custom master batch, and you can sell with very good price. Still there, you can sell it to iron factory directly. And finally, it's the syngas. The syngas is one combustible gas, also as one fuel to recycled to this one heating system to heating the machine. So both this with the tires, plastics, both can be changed to wheels, such as both is valuable. Part 2, let us see the new design 4-ton capacity machine technical data. We can see this is the pyrolysis reactor. We also see the reactor is a very important part of the pyrolysis machine because it's like the heart of people. Yes, it is the heating systems. Heating systems also include the 3 oil burners and 3 oil gas burners. And this one connects to another cooling systems, and this is the flow pipe, and this is the driving parts, and we can see the discharging port in their position. This is the discharging port, and this is also the feeding port. It's a steam port. And now we can say this is the frame, one cooling system totally put in one frame, right? There is a square box condenser. Square box condenser has one good advantage is it can easy to transportation and maintenance and installation. Yes, because in another advantage is with long cooling stance. With long cooling stance, you will get more big heat exchange area. With big heat exchange area, you will get more oil. The oil output is very, most of our customers very concerned question, right? Because you got more oil, you will make more money. Let us see, we can see this is the GIF picture, and see this is the materials with the tires, and this is heating. After heating, the oil gas will through the catalyst chamber and the cooling pipe and the oil water separator. Whoa, you can see this is oil tank 1, and you will get the first stage oil. And then after the horizontal condenser, this is second cooling stage, you will get the oil tank will be full of oil. Finally, it's syngas is anti-backfire device, also is a safe device. We can see in the pyrolysis process, there also has smoke produced, right? It will be flow into the dusting removing system, and we can see after this system, we will dust purify of the impurities. There has the water spray and the ceramic materials, and to purify the impurities. And finally, and the air smoke will be flow out through the chimney. And this one, finally, this area we can see is white. Yes, in our factory, our customer factory, both is white steam and not smoke because it's pollution free. Okay, this is the whole working process. Maybe customers will ask, the 4 tons capacity machine looks great, but if we operation about the working time, how long the working time? If you feeding the materials, you need 2 hours, and if the heating the pyrolysis reactor to produce the oil gas, and it needs 8 hours. And after the production finished, and we need to cooling down the machine. Why? Because we need to cooling first, and you need to dust the discharging. Yes, because with the tires and plastics in the pyrolysis process, you will accept the oil, you will get the carbon black and the steel wear. And after cooling, you need to hook the steel wire and through our discharging system to discharge the carbon black. Offloading time is only need 1 hour. So totally 1 4-ton capacity machine, the working time is 13 hours. Total need 13 hours per byte. So it is very working efficient. Now let us see the model for 1000 features. Installation free. Why we say it is installation free? Because we can see the cooling systems, and this is the stainless steel the duster systems, and the cooling pipes and the square box. Include another is the anti-backfire device. Both all of parts put in one frame, so it will be prepared installed in our factory. After you receive it, you just need to connect the chimney and this one cooling pipes, and connect with the water and the electricity, and it can be working directly. Second is container modular design, because like our big capacity machines such as the 10-ton, we know the 10-ton we need transportation. It needs 140 FR and plus 2 40 high Q container. Total is 3 container, right? But for this one machine, we only need 2 40 high Q container. It's enough. So we call it a container modular design. Thirdly, is easy to operate, because this one you don't need our engineer to installation, and after you receive it, you can let your workers only need 1 worker is enough, and let him operate this one machine. It's where we'll save your installation time and save your training workers time, and saving your installation times. It's very economic and save the labor cost for you. Now is we will introduce the safe production, because we know in one machine process the safe is very important. In the feeding door, there has one thermometer will testing the temperature, and in the cooling pipe, after you receive it, you will see there also has 2 pressure gauge. Yes, it's and also has the alarm device in order to prevent there has some pressure in the reactor. It will be very dangerous. So this safety device will be very important, and we can see in there the green color one, it also is one safety device. It's one oil water separator, and before we use it, it needed to put it into 1 salt water first, and because the oil density will smaller than the water, so it can prevent the oil gas to revert to the reactor. It is a very important design. And finally, is the anti-backfire device. It also is one safe device. So this one machine will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 safe device. And clean emission, because we use this one is the stainless steel duster system. We can see this there has 2 blue color is stainless steel, and this is the chimney. And the stainless steel duster, we use water spray and the ceramic materials together to purify the impurities. Finally, to promise the emission, we can achieve the European standard. So we also have many customers in European. Until now, we have cooperated over 19 countries, European countries. Finally, it's a small roof space. we can see the length is 23 meters and the width is 2.2 meters. So the land cover is 50.6 square meters. Yet, such as the big capacity machine, the land cover about need 350 to 400 square meters. But for this one 4-ton capacity new design machine, and the land cover only need 50.6 square meters. It don't have the land space. So if you want to operation it or installation it, it's very easy. Now, let us see the model for 4000 and VS traditional machine. We can see the traditional machine, as we said, and it's one need 40 FR plus 40 HC container and a total 3 container. But for this Model F series, it only needs two container of 40 high-Q container. It will save the 60% shipping cost. And about the installation, the floor space is 350 square meters, and now the new design only need 50 square meters. About the installation, because big capacity machine, we need to engineer the installation and training and so on. And for this new design, we will be prepared installed in our factory. So it will be save the installation phase 100% for you. Now, this is our some global case, and we can see our engineer traveled over 90 countries now. Yes, 90 countries. We have still 8 engineers in abroad now, because he will help our customers to training and installation workers to help our customers to develop this business, while provide the waste tires and plastic business to fill oil for you. So if you have interesting, please contact us. Now this is all over the world our installation case, and finally we will see one video. And this one video, we can see how to feeding materials and how to produce the oil. Sorry, let us see, place this one video. Yeah, we can see. This is one installation case from our customers' feedback. This is the pyrolysis plant. This one customer also matched with one distillation unit. This is the decoloring unit. Oh, this is a waste plastic, because you can see our customers bending it first, so they can so the density will be small, and they can put loaded more materials. This is 50-ton hydraulic feeder. So you can see it don't need the workers enter the reactor. It through the hydraulic feeder, it will be feeding materials automatic. We can see it's very easy to operation. This is the heating systems. This is oil burner. Through the furnace, we can observation of fire. This is our electric control cabinet. Oh, we can see this is the oil observation port. The oil in produced now. Finally, the oil will be collected in the oil tank. We can see the emission is pollution-free. It's not smoke. We call it white steam. It's a white color, right? Some combustible gas, if we can use it in one time, so we can storage it. Okay, everyone, this is our video. Now let us see. This is one small machine. Small machine is, as we said, we can customize the dimensions for you, such as the 10 kilogram and the 20 kilogram. And just in factory, we have visited the 10 kilogram, and this one is our new design. Is the 20 kilogram, and let us see. We will play the video. Wait a moment. Okay, we can see. This is the oil observation port. It's a square box design, and there is the safety device. Is a pressure guard. This is a cooling pipe. Yes. Okay. Let us stay. Yes, we can see this is the reactor still in working. Okay, now we can see this is our small machine, and this is 20 kilogram, and we also has the 10 kilogram and the 20 kilogram, and we cite the Model F for 1,000 tons capacity machine, and also has big capacity machine, such as 10 tons to 15 tons. So if you have interesting, just contact us there, everyone. Now, thanks for your listening, and our live show will be finished now. And if you have any questions or you have any interesting, just contact us and leave a message. So welcome visit you our factory next time, and we will publish the live show time for you as soon as possible. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.